Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G 2025 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to, in this general list of course, we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options, and here we've got them divided between two options, so mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific option and tap on reset settings. Of course we will have to confirm everything with our screen lock, and be aware because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings, and basically this is it. The same situation with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Simply tap on it and tap on reset, and we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.